Welcome to our YouTube channel Careative. Let's start. Surprising health benefits of lemons. Benefits of lemon water. Lemons are more than just a sour fruit used for garnishing drinks and adding flavor to dishes. They are a powerhouse of nutrition with a host of health benefits that may surprise you. In this article, we'll explore some of the surprising health benefits of lemon and why you should consider incorporating it into your diet. Rich in vitamin C, lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. A single lemon contains about 30 to 40 milligrams of vitamin C, which is almost half of the daily recommended intake. Vitamin C is also an antioxidant that helps protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Aids digestion. Lemon is an excellent digestive aid that can help relieve symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and constipation. It stimulates the production of bile in the liver, which is necessary for the digestion of fats. Lemon juice also has a similar structure to the digestive juices found in the stomach, which can help improve digestion. Supports weight loss. Lemons contain pectin, a type of soluble fiber that can help you feel full and satisfied. It also slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, which can help stabilize blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Drinking lemon water before meals may help reduce calorie intake and aid weight loss. Promotes skin health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen production. Collagen is a protein that gives skin its elasticity and helps keep it looking youthful. The antioxidants in lemon also help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals and UV radiation. Boosts immunity. The vitamin C in lemon is also essential for a healthy immune system. It helps stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are responsible for fighting infections and diseases. Drinking lemon water regularly may help reduce the risk of infections and boost overall immunity. Alkalizes the body. Lemons are acidic in nature but have an alkalizing effect on the body. This is because they contain minerals like potassium and magnesium, which help to neutralize the acidity in the body. An alkaline environment in the body is believed to be beneficial for overall health and may help reduce the risk of certain diseases. Helps prevent kidney stones. Lemons contain citric acid, which can help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Citric acid helps to increase urine volume and pH levels, making it more difficult for kidney stones to form. Drinking lemon water regularly may help reduce the risk of kidney stones. In conclusion, lemon is a versatile fruit that has a range of health benefits. From aiding digestion to supporting weight loss and boosting immunity, incorporating lemon into your diet can have a positive impact on your overall health. Try adding lemon juice to your water, salad dressings, or tea for a refreshing and healthy twist. Improves heart health. Lemons contain a high amount of potassium, which is essential for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and can reduce the risk of heart disease. The flavonoids found in lemon also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that can help improve blood vessel function and reduce the risk of heart disease. Reduces inflammation. Lemons contain compounds like limonene and citric acid, which have anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is linked to many chronic diseases like arthritis, diabetes, and heart disease. Drinking lemon water regularly may help reduce inflammation in the body and improve overall health. Supports oral health. Lemons contain citric acid, which can help prevent the growth of bacteria that cause bad breath and gum disease. It also helps to stimulate the production of saliva, which is necessary for neutralizing bacteria in the mouth. However, it's important to note that lemon juice can also erode tooth enamel, so it's best to rinse your mouth with water after drinking lemon water. Incorporating lemon into your diet is easy and can be done in many ways. You can squeeze lemon juice over fish, chicken, or vegetables for added flavor, or add it to your water for a refreshing and healthy drink. It's important to note that lemon juice can be acidic and may cause irritation for some people, so it's best to start with small amounts and see how your body reacts. In conclusion, the health benefits of lemon are numerous and can have a positive impact on your overall health. From aiding digestion to reducing inflammation and improving heart health, lemon is a versatile fruit that can be easily incorporated into your diet. So, why not give it a try and see how lemon can benefit your health? Helps to detoxify the liver. Lemons contain compounds like T-limonene, which have been shown to support liver function and help detoxify the liver. The liver is responsible for filtering toxins from the body, and consuming lemon juice regularly may help improve its function. May help to reduce the risk of cancer. Lemons contain compounds called limonoids, which have been shown to have anti-cancer properties. Limonoids have been found to induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. Drinking lemon water regularly may help reduce the risk of certain types of cancer. May help to improve brain function. Lemons contain a high amount of potassium, which is essential for brain function. Potassium helps to regulate electrical impulses in the brain and can improve cognitive function. The flavonoids found in lemon also have neuroprotective properties, which can help protect the brain from damage. Helps to improve iron absorption. Lemons contain vitamin C, which can help improve the absorption of iron from plant-based foods.